Hello everyone, Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe. Let me just fix my mic. Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com. Welcome back to another video. And we are going to do another unboxing of brand new custom made clothing. Last time we did, we did a wool suit, we did a linen suit and a linen jacket for summer. And now we have coming up another linen suit, very summery, and another unconstructed linen jacket, also very summery. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Here we go. Welcome back, everybody. Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe, and I have some beautiful new clothing to show you. On the website, we have brand new amazing pocket squares. Also, reversibles. I showed them to you before in prior videos, but now they are up online. You could check those out. Beautiful silk printed pattern on one side and another pattern on the other side. So it's like two pocket squares in one, and you could mix and use both sides at the same time if you know how to fold the pocket square correctly. I do have a video on how to fold a pocket square, so you could check that out. So here we go, showing you the suit right now. I'll get this one over here. This is a beautiful linen suit in the natural color. So the natural color of linen we have right here. We call this the natural. It's beige, of course, but that's the natural color. It's not flat beige like if you would have a wool suit. That's really like a flat color. This one is not flat. It sort of has some striations. It has a weave to it because linen is from a plant. It's actually flax from a plant. So very lightweight. Of course, we talked about the wrinkling of linen last time. In order to wear linen, you have to like the wrinkles because that's what's going to happen to it. And that's when it looks most comfortable and most lived in, especially on a warm summer day. Just the air goes right through the linen. It gets a little stretched out and it just looks so nice when it has the wrinkles all in the right places. In the elbows, in the back of the knees, across the back of the jacket. So let me show you this one here. The natural linen, I'll put it up close to the camera. So there you get an idea of what the natural linen fabric looks like. You can see it's not just flat solid. It's considered a solid, but it has all different little striations running through the fabric. And I'll show you here also. This is a classic design suit. 2-button single-breasted, side vents, flap pockets here. Side vents in the back, as all my suits have side vents like that in the back. Has the hand stitching all the way around, although in this color, it's a little hard to see the stitching, but if I hold it close, maybe you can see it. I don't know if it's going to stay in focus. Yeah, you can see it there. Let me try and hold it still. Yeah, I think you could see a few of those little stitches, but it has the little fine, very fine hand stitches. Now let me take the jacket off to show you the lining on the inside. And here we go. This we did like a real fun lining because it's like a real summery type of thing. So we did this lining with like these little floral plants running through. And we also always do the peninsula pocket like I mentioned before with the hand stitching right here. Let me see if I can get my hand over there. Right there around the pocket. You got the hand stitching around there like that. And it's just beautifully made. And this again is for that gentleman who's much bigger than I am. So if I put this on over my jacket like I did in my last video, you get an idea. There we go. So now I have it on and it doesn't even fit me with two jackets. It's still way too big. But anyway, it's not for me. So that gives you an idea of this piece in the natural color, in the natural linen. Custom made, made in Italy. Also, it's Italian linen. So pants again, flat front, plain bottoms on the pants. I know in Italy they're starting to show cuffs again a little bit. And now the next one we're going to show you is a beautiful sport coat. Also in 100% linen. We're doing a lot of nice linen this season. So here we have a beautiful sports jacket. It's a mini houndstooth jacket. It's like a very light beige with a navy blue houndstooth. I'll hold it up really close so you can see this. You can see this pattern. So you see that little mini houndstooth check. And what's interesting about this is that it has all these little things that sort of stick out in different places. Those are called flubs. Can you see them? I don't know if you can really see them. But some of them are white and some of them are blue. And that just goes to show you that this is an all natural fiber. No synthetic, nothing man-made. in this jacket. You could probably see, maybe, I'm not sure, you could almost see, you could really see through this. You can't really see it on camera, but you could see right through this linen. That's how lightweight this is. Let me see if I hold it up. I don't know, can you see through it? Not really, because the light reflects, but you can see through this linen. So that just goes to show you how super lightweight it is. So here we did a lining again with that little, we did in one of the other suits in the last video with a little diamond pattern. We did it on this because it matched nicely. Again with the peninsula pocket like we do. Now on the other side you have more pockets. You have one on the top, you have one for your pens, and you have a lower pocket for your cell phone. But that side has another label with the gentleman's name, so we don't want to show that on camera. All hand sewn shoulder all the way around. So that's all done by hand all the way around there, which is what you want for a better fitting jacket, and beautifully made. Lightweight canvas in the front, lightweight shoulder pads. As I said again, unconstructed on the inside, making this a great summer jacket with jeans or pants or some linen. Of course, linen pants goes the best with a linen jacket. And yeah, so there you have it. Another 2 pieces of the custom made. This button we picked a very light gray. It's like a lightish gray color. You can see that. It's almost like a pearlized, sort of like grayish, bluish pearlized button. These are called kissing buttons. Let me just fix it here because they're a little off. It should be like that. So let me show it to you again. That's how it should be. The buttons like that. So there you go. Another beautiful jacket, another beautiful suit. And we still have some more pieces coming in mostly wools, which are going to be really nice. There's a beautiful ice blue sport jacket coming in with a white window pane with a light gray pair of pants. And there's some other really beautiful suits coming. And again, we have another linen suit coming, which is going to be the pale gray pinstripe linen suit with the hacking pockets, and that one is actually a 1-button single-breasted. The customer specifically requested 1-button single-breasted, and that's what we made for him. So thanks for watching this video. We're going to do more unboxings of we have some more shoes coming too. We got a beautiful boot coming in burgundy and gray patina in a boot with a matching belt. That's coming in pretty soon. So we're definitely going to do an unboxing of that. So make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these clothing unboxings or shoe unboxings at, right there, Suit Cafe. That's right. See you all again when I'm back at it.